Mga kabayan, kumusta na kayo? Iba naman ang ating picture ngayong araw na to. Hindi muna tayo magluluto at ay mamamasyal muna sa park para mabigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng ating apo na makaikot naman at at the same time makapag-relax naman. So ngayon po ay Memorial Day dito sa Amerika, so relax muna tayo. Wala muna luto at iikot ko kayo dito sa isang magandang park dito sa aming lugar. Okay? Let's go! Ayan ang maglola, so they're enjoying the good weather. So say hi to... There you go. He is one of my follower, my apo, and of course the grandma. So come on down, baby. Welcome to the vlog, ang sabi niya. So okay, come on. Ayan po, maganda yung landscape ng there you go. Maganda yung landscape ng aming park. Medyo gloomy ngayong araw na to, but it's a good time to make pasyal kasi hello kabayang Ed daw, sabi ng aking dear granddaughter. So ayan, merong maliit na boulders doon. So okay, then tuloy-tuloy lang tayo at pasyal pa namin kayo dito sa park. Na kayo mabato dyan, ha? Get me. Oh, get Papa. Catch Papa. Come here.
I'm going to catch a treasure.
Kabayan, aside from beautiful pathways where you can freely walk with your pets or by yourself with your pets, ay meron din silang tennis facilities where everybody can play. As a matter of fact, marami ditong Filipino players na naglalaro dito because it's a place where a lot of Filipinos are converging every weekend. Ito po isang magandang subdivision na karamihan nakatira din ay mga nauna ng Pilipino kasi mura pa siya noon. So ayan po ang regional park namin dito sa May Cerritos. Aside from the tennis courts, mayroon din silang pickleball that I will show to you in a bit. Just like what I mentioned a while ago, mayroon din sila ditong pickleball court. So ito naman ang bagong sports craze dito sa Amerika, and I think it's doing well as well in the Philippines. So sabi nga nila, sana all. But I'm pretty sure sisikat dito sa Pilipinas kasi it's not too physical. Meron din silang baseball field. I think they have 3 of these. At meron din silang football field na inaayos ngayon. Marami pa po activities na pwedeng gawin dito. Halimbawa, hang out with friends. Ihaw-ihaw, eka nga. And play some games. Ayun. Tawag nila doon corn game yata yun. I don't know. But it's a good game. And yung iba naman, nagre-relax lang. Naglalagay lang sila ng hammock. At ano lang, chill lang, sabi nga nila. So, we're lucky to be near in this area. So, I think sa Pilipinas nagde-develop na rin sila ng mga pocket park. And sa Quezon City, alam ko nandun ang circle, pero yung sa mga barangay, alam ko mayroong mga covered court na, but darating din yan. Kabayan, meron din sila dito basketball court. Ayan, karamihan na maglalaro dyan ay mga Pilipino. At ito naman yung lake where yung mga remote control na toys ay merong space para sa kanila para tuloy ang laro ng mga may edad na, mga retired, para malibang ang kanilang mga oras. Ayan, saan ba yun? Ayun, nasa gitna yung remote control na speedboat. There you go. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? Ayan. So mayroon din sila mga drones na pinapalipad. Ayan. This is one thing that I want to have in the near future. Magkaroon ng sariling drone. There you go. Ayun. Ayan, acrobatic. Pero meron sila ditong spot where mga kabayan, so in life we need to maintain that what they call the life and work balance. So pag walang magawa at walang gusto mag-relax, find time to find a place na makakapag pahinga ka, and at the same time while you're sitting at the bench you can do some reflection, right? Let's be grateful of all the good things that is happening in our life, and just give it back to God for whatever blessings that He is providing us on a daily basis. So God be the glory always. So with that mga kabayan, I'll see you next time. Siguro maghanap ako ng magandang putahe para ating pagsaluhan ulit. With that, God bless you all and thank you very much.